Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1955 Oldsmobile 98. I got Ed, the owner of 2 decades. 20 years, huh, Ed?
20 years, that's right.
Wow. So tell us a little about it.
Well, like I said, I bought the car back in '06, and we've pretty much done a lot of things to it. We had most of the interior done. What wasn't done didn't need to be done.
Sure.
Seats are new, carpeting is new. All the chrome escutcheons are new. Okay, we sent out the bumpers front and back. They were done. It's got 4 brand new Coker bias ply tires on it. They don't even have 100 miles on them. It's a hydromatic. It's stock 324. The car was bone stock except for the fact that I put an alternator in it.
Well, that's nice.
Instead of replacing the generator.
Good.
The car's got new carpeting in it. I had the entire trunk carpeted. It's gorgeous. You don't have that, that standard cardboard material in it.
I also noticed it's dyno matted too, which is pretty nice. It's a sound deadener.
Yes, absolutely. And the car goes down the street like it should. It's a luxury car in '55, and the thing is it's quiet. It's nice. Everything works.
It's got some great options too.
It does.
I noticed.
Power windows, power seat, power steering, AM radio, backup lights. These were, most of these were options.
Yeah, everything was an option back then.
Absolutely.
Even the heater.
If you wanted a side view mirror, it was optional.
Yeah, you ain't kidding.
It's got an oil filter system on it. Back lenses brand new, reverse lights brand new, parking lights in the front brand new.
Cool. Man, love this ornament.
Yeah, everything was done.
Back in the day, it was all about
rocket.
jets and rockets and all that good stuff back then. Beautiful interior. It's got a hardtop. Interior was just redone.
Yep.
Power windows. Pretty astonishing for back in the day.
Yeah, this car had a lot of goodies in it. Between the big caddies and the Oldsmobiles, they were top of the line.
Really? Kind of reminds me of '57 Chevy. I guess it's along the same lines with the flapper in the window and all that good stuff.
Yep. The wing windows were a godsend, especially if you were a smoker.
Yeah, it suck it right out.
Yep.
And these taillights, very neat.
Yeah, the lenses are new.
Cool.
They're not the old ones with all the spider veins and everything in it. They've been replaced, and the backup lights have been replaced.
Yeah, they work too, which is cool.
The Holiday badging on both front fenders was replaced. The headlight cowlings have been replaced. The only piece I did not replace was that piece right here.
The centerpiece, right?
This piece, 98 is
Oh,
new.
cool.
Yeah.
And then this centerpiece on the chrome, that's obviously original.
Yep.
But the rest of it's re-chromed. Love the pinstriping too. Your son did that?
Yeah, he's the pinstripe.
Very talented.
Told him, don't go crazy. It's a 98.
Yeah.
People don't like crazy.
They don't. They like it simple.
The 88s we get away with. The 98s not so much.
Yeah. Love how the flapper works still. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful door panels. Those were just done. Power windows. Love the crank on the wind wing. Just so neat. Really ahead of its time for the day. Nice big lofty bench. Pile everyone in here. Even has factory seatbelts. I think those were an option too.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
The car's got 55,000 miles on it.
54, 134.
I really don't believe it went around the clock, because if you go around the car, it just
yeah, it looks like an original mile car.
Yeah.
And you've owned it for 20 years, so.
Yep.
Interior lights work great.
Courtesy lights all work. Interior lights work.
The only reason he's selling this, he's got this El Camino here that he just got.
Yeah, that's the new toy.
Cool. Well, 20 years is a while, huh?
Yeah.
Let's check out under the hood. This ornament is just fabulous. All about jets and rockets back then. Nice and tidy under the hood too. So what do we got here?
Haven't done anything with it as far as, you know, painting it or anything like that.
Yeah.
It's dry, it's original.
Good.
New fuel filter. I had the carburetor, not fuel filter, the fuel pump is new. Carburetor is original. It was rebuilt about a year ago.
Cool.
New battery.
Cool. Alternator conversion, which is pretty cool.
Alternator conversion. The wiring is still in place in the event that you want to go back to a generator and a voltage regulator. Everything is right there.
I doubt it though.
Nothing
It's so
has
nice
changed.
with the alternator.
It
though.
is. It is. Everything is
A little more
brighter
power,
and,
you know.
You're constantly putting some juice back into the
when it's
back
all
into the battery.
idling, it's charging, which is nice.
I've got a new
pad.
Pad for it. Yep.
It's included. Cool. Mechanical fuel pump as it was.
Yeah.
Oldsmobile Rocket. What's the
324?
324?
202 horsepower.
Wow, that's a lot of horsepower you got there.
That was the big motor back in the day.
Back in the day, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. Can we go for a quick spin?
Sure.
Really nice green metallic paint. Padded dash. That was probably an option back then.
Yes, this was an option.
Day-night mirror, option. Man, I barely hear it, huh?
Courtesy lights, front back speaker, AM radio.
Does that work?
Yes.
Cool.
Takes a while.
Yeah, you gotta warm it up.
It works.
Very cool. Barely hear it running. So cool. And the hydromatic really shifts beautiful.
Yeah, for what it was.
Yeah.
The car was very, very well maintained. Let's face it, it was my car, and you know, I didn't want any problems.
Yeah.
I've got all the bills and all the receipts and everything that I've ever done to the car.
Yeah, we shot those. You can check those out online.
Yep. So, you know, there's no secrets there. Everything I've done is, you know, I've got a paper trail for it.
Love the monster
Directionals
glove box. Really cool. Right in the middle too.
Ashtrays.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, you can't even see them.
Oh, like perfectly hidden.
Look at that.
Really neat.
And they're lit up in here.
Oh, very neat. Very cool. No, you really don't see these kinds of cars around anymore.
Not too many. Not too many. It's got all new weather stripping around the doors, the trunk.
It's nice that you drive it too, you know?
Yeah. You have to. If you don't enjoy these cars and run them, they just, you know,
Fall apart.
they're meant to be driven.
Yeah. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. And check out about 250 photos today I took on the website too. Thanks a lot, and thanks for joining us.